Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OPPO Find X8. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other ones. When finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Then close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!